Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-vlog, nakakaloka. But today, we're gonna go shopping with Wifey. Shark hair na si Wifey.
May napili na ako.
Agad?
Minunahan ko na si
Anong mall to? Trinoma.
Yeah. Oxygen Trinoma.
Kakatapos ko lang pumili, guys. Now, we're gonna try out kung anong mga okay. Kumuha na naman ako ng maong na denim naman siya. Si Wifey kumuha rin ng ganito. So, anyway, before fitting, I want to show you my OOTD. This jacket is from Penny Shop. Jeans are from H&M. And then I have a regular tank top sa loob. Shoes are from Adidas. Yeah. So, ito yung una. So, it's just a very flowy cardigan. Super long din niya. And then, meron siyang pockets on the sides. Ayan. Cute naman. This cardigan is for 699 pesos. I am totally getting this one, guys. So this is a black denim jacket. Super nice. Ganda. Very rugged. Like it. Large tong kinuha ko. Next, we have the sweater. Actually, this is for men. Sa men's section ko kinuha. Pero ang cute kasi, diba? Perfect siya pa sa mga... Wala lang, I like it. Pero medyo itchy lang. Itchy yung feeling niya. But I like it. And then we have this white sweater din. Whoops! Nalaglag na lahat sa floor. It's nice. And meron siyang pocket. Look at this. I'm getting this one. Ganda rin. Ito guys, this bag over here, ang ganda eh. Tsaka spacious siya. Oh, diba? Love it! Kumuha ko na. 599 yan. Si Wifey nag-fit. Wifey, we have chicken skin, fish, deviled egg, croquette. Wifey. Having dinner here at Tipsy Pig with Wifey. We're so excited to eat real food. Tapos nagatam na kami, grabe. Buti lang hindi super yung traffic and mga galing ng Trinoma. Crispy pork belly! We have wine, intigan, menu, potato wedges, rice of course. Oh, nami. We ordered another one. Ano to?
Pulling me crispy.
Pulling me crispy.
May isa kang pirasong tomato.
What's this? Yummy! Finally home, guys! And grabe yung kilay ko. Andyan pa rin. Hindi siya na erase at all. I used the Wonder PH brow gel. Ayun. So, I'll be doing a separate video on that. Pero grabe. As in, very interesting. Kasi yung foundation, I mean, lahat ng makeup products nila, waterproof. So, I'll be sharing that video siguro tomorrow. I actually have to film the rest tonight. Kaya, pag-akit ko na lang. Kasi kailangan ko pa bumaba para magtapon ng basura. Plus, pakainin ko yung alaga kong pusa sa baba. Si Ming Ming, pinakain ko siya kahapon. Super cute talaga. So, then I'll wait for Mark na rin. Pauwi niya siya galing ng shoot. Yun. Binilang ko si Mark ng dinner. Here's Ming Ming's fish. And the basura I have to throw. There she is! Ming! Let's sit here. Come here. Ming Ming. Here, here, here. Oh. Here, mahal. Eat, eat. Here, here, here. More here. Look who's here! It's Marky Barky! Pero mamaya alas ka ulit, no?
Yeah, may shoot ulit kami.
You look so cute with the pen shop hat. Sabi niya, pahingi ako dyan! Pahingi ako! Pahingi! What's your name? Are you Mong Mong? Mong Mong? Galit si Ming Ming sa'yo. No, 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 no. Bigyan natin, Ming. Bigyan natin. Oh, wawa naman. Oh, dito ka kay Mark. Halika. Bigyan natin konti. Oo. Kinain din. Pagkakain namin, lagi siya sumusunod. Bye, Ming! Ming! Ming, Ming! Mark's dinner! Inuwihan ko siya ng same kami ni Wifey. Si Wifey naman nag-take out for JM. And we've been featured! Wait, sa TV Patrol. Ito yung mga binili ko sa Oxygen or mga, yeah, binili. Thank you, Oxygen! Super nice ang bago. I'll do a separate vlog for this or a separate haul video just like I did sa pen shop. So, I'll just put it here. Ang kalat, my gosh. Kasi nga hindi ako natapos mag-film kanina. There. Along with the other stuff.
Happy Valentine's Day, ma.
Kami yung pinakauna.
Mga Pilipino, family first eh. Yan tayo. Kaya agos tsaka luha. Kapag ang pamilya, kulang na.
Yun lang, no? Start
Pero
lang.
itong tatlong commercial na magkakasunod nag-viral, sa buong mundo na pume-festival.
I'll have the video link of this one sa baba.
International din.
Anyway, that's it for today's vlog, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye! Bye, Booby!
Bye!